Hi, I'm Buster, the founder of FruitPunch AI, a global AI for good community where we crowdsource AI solutions for impact organizations like Greenpeace, European Space Agency, and Stanford. It all started 4 years ago, when I found myself in the South African bush cutting my way through with a machete. I had gotten there because I quit my studies and I wanted to learn how to apply AI by doing. I decided to tackle the poaching crisis in South Africa. And we started by experimenting with drones and came up with this idea of an autonomous wildlife protection drone with thermal cameras to search for poachers in the wildlife reserves. I knew I couldn't do this on my own, so I recruited a team of 50 AI engineers and 10 partners. And we ended up with a very successful project. On the left you can see poachers being detected from the drone, and on the right you can see our little cockpit. Now, after this, I saw the opportunity and decided to do more of this. And this turned into the platform and community that is FruitPunch AI, with which we solve problems for the European Space Agency, tackling wildfires, detecting oil spills for the Dutch government, working with medical centers on heart failure detection, and also working with the Achmea Foundation and Achmea and Goal 3 to develop machine learning models for life-saving medical devices for babies and children in sub-Saharan Africa. And of course, we did a ton of cool wildlife-related challenges like facial recognition of seals for Colgate in the US. It's always according to this format, 10-week-long challenges where we get together a team of 15 to 50 AI engineers that work together with the stakeholder to develop a solution in 10 weeks. And we always work towards one of the Sustainable Development Goals as dictated by the United Nations. But if you ask me, the biggest impact that we make is that we get these people to be willing and able to solve humanity's greatest challenges and use their skills for good. And this is also Aisha's story. She actually upskilled herself completely in AI from pharmacy just by participating in our challenges and learning programs. She said, "I learned that you don't have to know the answer to everything, just to have the willingness to come forward and do the work." And that is what we stand for. And this is our approach, challenge-based learning. This took us to the European Union in an address on the future of IT education, but also to Dutch universities where we train master students and top tech companies like Hugging Face and Microsoft. Now, why challenge-based learning? Well, it's as simple as that we all know that the best way to learn is by doing. And the way that we provide this is that you also are guided by AI experts. You work together in a team, so there's peer-to-peer learning, and you make a real-world positive impact, which is very motivating, of course. And by the end, you become authorized with a certificate, and you get your skills accredited. Now, we do this in the format of an AI hero's journey, where you can pick multiple challenges, masterclasses, to develop your hard and soft skills in your skill tree towards your learning goal, like for example, MLOps engineer. And in our platform, all of these skills are collected. You can do an assessment as well to determine where you are. You can create your personalized learning journey, and you can participate in theory modules based on previous challenges with real data and real problems, but also participate in cutting-edge masterclasses and interact with our global community of AI engineers. And of course, get certified in the things that matter to you. So for example, you can also work towards becoming an MLOps engineer, data engineer, machine learning engineer, product owner, you name it. Now, this is FruitPunch AI. I hope to see you soon and that you can join the global AI for Good community.